In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bid on eBay. Whether you're new to online auctions or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that's easy to follow. Let's start at the very beginning, logging in. First, access your eBay account by visiting the eBay website on your preferred web browser. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts on the home page. Once logged in, you're all set to find that special item you've been eyeing. Now that you're logged in, it's time to search for the item you want to bid on. Use the search bar at the top of the page to input keywords related to the item you're interested in. Results can vary widely, so take your time scrolling through until you find the exact item that meets your needs and preferences. Remember, eBay hosts millions of listings, so refining your search filters can save you a lot of browsing time. Once you've located a promising listing, it's crucial to check if it's an auction listing rather than a buy it now sale. You'll typically find this information on the listing page close to the item's price. Auction listings will have the word auction indicated, signaling that bids are accepted. This is key because only auction listings allow for bidding, otherwise you'd be purchasing the item immediately at the listed price. Great, you've confirmed it's an auction. Move on to the listing and click the Place Bid button. By doing so, you're indicating your interest in participating in the auction. This will take you to a new page where you'll have the opportunity to enter your bid amount. When entering your bid, you'll need to decide on the maximum amount you're willing to pay for the item. This is crucial because eBay's bidding system is automatic. It will start with the current bid amount and only increase your bid as needed to keep you in the lead until your maximum is reached. Consider what the item is worth to you and set your maximum bid accordingly to avoid overbidding. Next, with your maximum bid entered, you'll click Place Bid again to confirm your decision. This second confirmation ensures that you're committed to spending that amount if necessary. After confirming, you will see where your bid stands. Last but not least, remember that eBay will handle the increments automatically. The platform will increment your bid just enough to maintain your position as the highest bidder, only increasing when necessary up to your maximum bid amount. This means you won't have to constantly monitor the auction and manually adjust your bid. And there you have it, you've successfully placed a bid on eBay. The process is straightforward, but always make sure to keep your budget in mind and be aware of the auction's closing time. Happy bidding!